Hey guys, babsomotden here. So today's video is about Joywear 2 after update. So I'll be sharing with you the new version, comparing it to the old version here, and what really changed in the Joywear 2 app and the new watch faces of the Joywear 2 app. Oraimo has released new smartwatch, which is the Oraimo Watch 2 Plus, and this smartwatch will be using the Joywear 2 app. So let's check out what we are going to find before we do the review of the new smartwatch. Now, before we start, this on my left hand side here is the Oraimo Watch Pro, which is OSW 16P, connected to the new Joywear 2 app version. And here on my right hand side is the old Joywear 2 app connected to the OSW 16, which is the Oraimo Watch. So let's start with the icons. On the new one, you can see the icon is spread out, and right on the old one, the icon is shrink in. This is how it looks like, and this is the old one. So let's open the app and see how fast they launch. As you can see, the new one launched faster than the old one, and basically you can see from the home page here it looks the same. All right, so we have the weather condition up here and weather condition here with the icon of the smartwatch here. The arc are also there just for you to see your distance, 8 steps, and other stuff like that. The heart recording is also there if you want to check them out. Same thing. And you have sleep recording, but there is no blood oxygen on the old one. Depending on the smartwatch you are using and you connect the Oraimo Joywear 2 app to, you'll be having your blood oxygen there, because this has blood oxygen feature. So you are going to see the blood oxygen feature here, but on the Oraimo old OSW 16 it has no blood feature on the smartwatch, so you are not going to see the option there. So that is basically the differences and similarities at the home page. So let's go to the spot. Let's see if there's any difference here. All right, at the spot you can see we have outdoor running, and here we have running outdoors. We have walking, and we have walking, and we have outdoor circle, we have riding. So there's just a little difference here. I think the wordings are the difference here. Jump rope, and we have rope skipping here. So the new one has new words and the old one has the old words. So that's all here. Let's try and start the workout and see.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so that is pretty much it. They are still the same thing if you are considering using them for workout. As you can see, they are both reading, and if you want to stop them, you just press on this pause icon here.
Workout paused.
The same thing. Okay,
Finished.
so it's that easy. There's nothing changing here. They are both the same. Okay, so let's move over to the Oraimo Shortcut. When you select the Oraimo Shortcut, you can see we have the same thing here. This is just a shortcut to the Oraimo website where you are going to see some of their products, and that is everything at the shortcut place. You can see the new power bank and every other thing there. Now let's move over to the next on our tab on our dashboard here, which is the device. When you select the device, you are going to see major difference here. Now you can see at the top here Oraimo Watch Pro, which is the watch it is connected to right now, and Oraimo Watch, which is this one here. You can see connected battery 82%, connected battery 80%, but this new one has the MAC address with the logo of the watch connected. Here we have no MAC address and no logo of the watch connected here. So that is it. And here we can see off wrist heart rate detection, none here, but here we can see watch faces here, and we can see dice settings here. The rest here are just the same thing. The rest of the options are the same. There's nothing much here apart from the wordings that have changed here, watch faces and die settings. So let's select that and let's see what Oraimo has changed here. On the new one, we can see we have illustrations, we have mechanical, we have number, we have space, and some other ones, which is the pointer. Here everything has been categorized and arranged well. And over here everything is just scattered, nothing is in place, everything is just out of place everywhere, but we can see that everything is just there, so you can easily check out your wallpaper here. So they are just the same thing. There's nothing much, but on the new Oraimo Joywear 2 app you have everything categorized, so you can easily find what you really want and you can download and install. So here are the watch faces. So let's just scroll a bit and see some of these watch faces. Okay, the watch faces look cool. The old one still has some of the watch faces from the new one, and it's still just good. As you can see, it is loading, and this is the new one. Let's wait for it. All right, it's up, and you can see basically it has some of these things here. Which one will install faster? Let's try them out. Which one will install faster? Let's install this. Okay, as you can see, the new one is uploading faster. It's trying to download the watch face and sync it up, while the old one is a bit slow. And you can see there is a major difference here. This guy is running faster and trying to sync up. So that shows that Oraimo has actually done some upgrade on the Joywear 2 apps.
A few minutes later,
as you can see, this guy has finished installing. Right here we have the old one just trying to sync up. Okay, so that is it on the Joywear 2 app, old and the new wallpaper. Now to look at the dial center, which is the my dial side of it, you can see we have just same thing there. That is where your dials are being kept once you have downloaded them or used them before. And to the custom dial, you are going to see that still the same thing, but there is a change here. Let's select that. In case you want to customize your watch face, like you want to put your picture, now you have the ability to use the time style. That is, you can actually pick where you want this date and time to be, but here on the old one you can't do that. Look at this place. As you can see, the time is moving here, moving up. That means on the dial you want to make it to go up, and if you want to make it to come down, you can just select under the digital and it's going to come down. As you can see, it looks nice, but here we cannot move the name, or you cannot move the date or the time. So that is just it. And once you are done, you select synchronous dial, and this guy is going to sync up to your smartwatch. Joywear 2 app has been improved in a lot of ways, and this I find very, very useful. Now I would like to say, in case you are having issue with your Joywear 2 app, please drop a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the video showing right on your screen. See you there. Peace.